This is a mini desktop vacuum cleaner that was sent to me to test out. So today I'm going to get it charged up and then we're going to tackle my arts and craft table. So this little vacuum cleaner took less than a half hour to fully charge up and now we're ready to test it out. I've gone ahead and powered on the vacuum cleaner by pressing this little button in the front. First thing I want to point out is the little soft bristles at the bottom, which I like because it will prevent the vacuum cleaner from scratching up my table surface. See how quickly this little vacuum cleaner picks up all my mess? I'm really surprised at how strong the suction power is, as it even picked up all the glitter I had. And here's a bunch of gold leaf pieces, and this vacuum cleaner sucked it all up as well. I think this little vacuum cleaner would be great in the kitchen as well to pick up all the crumbs from the dinner table. It would also be great to use to clean up keyboard debris and laptop vents. I love the portability and convenience, and best of all, the impressive suction power. In a follow up video, I'll come back to show you how I empty and clean this little vacuum cleaner.